Hey, so now hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Naturally Timmy, and today I'm going to show you guys a video that you can wear to homecoming. I know homecoming is coming up for a lot of you, so I just want to create a quick hairstyle using the African Prime Moisture collection. So let's get started. So I part my hair into two down the middle, and I'm taking the African Prime Moisture Miracle 5 Essentials oil. This oil has a lot of vitamins in it, and I use it just to moisturize my scalp and the rest of my hair. As you see, I am starting on dry hair, and then I'm going to further part my hair. And really quick, have any of you guys tried the African Prime Moisture Miracle? I made a few videos using this product, and I know a lot of people on my Instagram page told me that they liked it, but I wanted to ask you guys the question on YouTube: have you tried these products, and if so, how do you like it? Just go ahead and leave it below in the comments, and I will be reading. So anyway, so I sectioned the front part of my hair, and I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do with the back portion. So that's what you see me doing now, just trying to figure it out. I decided to just opt for a ponytail, and then I'm going to twist the ponytail, and it's just going to be like a twisted ponytail in the back. So now I'm taking the African Pride Shea Butter Flaxseed Oil Curling Cream, and I'm just using that to slick my edges and to brush that in my hair. So it's doing really good for cream to smooth my edges. And I just put it in a ponytail, and then like I said, I take each section, I add some more cream. I'm gonna do 4 sections, so I take each section, I put some cream on it, and then I just go ahead and do like fluffy loose twist. Okay, so don't mind me in this next clip. So I'm just taking the front section, and I'm trying to, like, when I tell you guys, I be winging these hairstyles as I'm recording. Like, I need a trophy because the end product would be too lit, but I do not be knowing what I'm about to do when I turn on the camera. So for somebody that be winging it on the go, I sure be doing a good job. Well, let me let y'all be the judge of that. Just let me know if you like my styles, my protective styles, my occasion styles, and things like that. But anyway, I'm twisting the front. I'm doing a flat twist going forward, and then I'm just going to make a swoop, a side swoop, and then pin it. So for the front section, I used about 2 bobby pins, and then I'm going to go ahead and fix the back. So I'm going to just go ahead and place them where I want them to be, and then pin it. It's just going to be a bun. And really, this is really it. Like, this style is simple. I think it looks kind of complicated, but as you can see, it's not really complicated. It's so cute, and I liked how in the front it looks really different from the side. Like, from the front it just looks like a hump on your head, but from the side you see, you know, I got way much more going on. So yeah, this is the video. Let me know what you guys think of the hairstyle, and how you can get the products will be in the description below. So yeah, thanks for watching.